2014 Ford F-150 5.0 liter V8 FX2. Still got factory converters there and there. We got something special going on with this one. It's got a rough country kit. They just came out with them, so customer purchased it and we installed it for him. 3-inch all the way back into a rough country single end dual out 3-inch, then 2.5 tailpipes. It was too many pieces though, man. Everything's like, they love to put it in pieces, as you guys can see. They were clamped there, they were clamped there, they were clamped there, another clamp there, then the tips were clamped, and then the tailpipes were clamped. Too many clamps, so you always want to put tacks on the clamps so they don't rattle off or break off or anything with the vibration. But there's that kit. Came out really nice, really beautiful. 4-inch tips, black. Part number on that is Rough Country 96010. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Decibels on it, max 110, 111, about 110, 111, not too bad. That's the sound decibels on it. It was around 110. Is that good or bad? It's not bad. Not too loud, not too crazy. Yeah, it's right in the middle. It gets obnoxious after 120. Go ahead. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Middle. He's in. Just did a lift kit. Still got to get it all cut. Massive wheels. Looks really nice. That.